Panasonic air conditioning systems, because every building matters. The new VRF FSV systems. Up to 60 horsepower. 64 indoor units can be connected in a single system. Centralized control of up to 256 indoor units. A maximum piping length of 1,000 meters. Monitoring of up to 1,024 indoor units. Large scale, large capacity, high efficiency, energy-saving design. Panasonic's new VRF FSV large capacity air conditioning systems enable design flexibility. From homes and small buildings to large facilities such as office buildings, schools and hotels. Based on our corporate concept of eco-ideas, the Panasonic Group is working to reduce environmental impact and conserve energy. This is also the development concept for Panasonic's air conditioning systems. Takashi Sekine was the chief engineer in charge of developing the new VRF FSV Systems ME1 series. We asked him about the design concept.
In order to develop an ideal large air conditioning system, we focused on three concepts. First, superior energy saving. Second, design flexibility. And third, a maximum level of comfort. We believe that integration of these three concepts will provide high customer satisfaction. We gave special priority to saving energy. Energy-saving air conditioning is not easy. In addition to maintaining basic system performance, energy saving must be pursued from a broader perspective.
First, let's look at energy saving.
We aimed at the industry's best efficiency. And to increase that efficiency even further for high-efficiency models. To do this, we worked hard to make the outdoor unit even more energy efficient. The fan motor, compressor, heat exchanger. We re-examined each individual component and conducted repeated tests in order to achieve ambitious targets. We allocated a lot of time to designing fan-related components. We maximized airflow by optimizing fan shape, performing numerous simulations and repeated wind tunnel tests. By raising the efficiency of each individual component, we achieved the targeted energy efficiency level. Next, we worked to make the components smaller in order to fit into a compact body. By increasing efficiency and reducing size, we were able to achieve a high capacity of up to 20 horsepower per module. Reducing the weight and volume significantly reduces installation space, time, and costs. Plus, a compact size makes for easier transportation and handling. Of course, we also worked hard to effectively increase both cooling and heating capacity, and made the system able to withstand outdoor temperatures up to 46 degrees centigrade during cooling and minus 25 degrees centigrade during heating, giving it the ability to function even in extreme conditions.
Next, let's look at design flexibility.
We interviewed building designers and architects about requirements and ideas they might have. The result was that we discovered design flexibility to be an important key to better air conditioning efficiency and lower installation costs. First, we expanded the maximum capacity for a single piping circuit to 60 horsepower, and also made it possible to connect up to as many as 64 indoor units. This is effective for achieving a high-efficiency air conditioning system with lower installation costs. Plus, the indoor units can be connected at a capacity ratio of up to 200% with a maximum 180-meter piping length, 50-meter elevation difference, and a 1,000-meter total piping length. Even for large-scale facilities that sprawl horizontally, this provides ample freedom of design. The system can use existing piping, so renovations are possible without the need to install new piping. In addition to eliminating the expense of new piping, it reduces the costs involved in removing and disposing of existing piping, and less waste material means much less environmental impact. And the different types of indoor units, various cassette types, duct types, ceiling mounted, wall mounted, and floor standing, create a full lineup, enabling selection of the ideal type required.
And then there's maximum comfort.
We first focused on enhancing silent operation. By repeatedly carrying out experiments, we were able to reduce both mechanical and airflow noise to a minimum. And we also worked to provide an accurate and highly detailed response to the specific ways different people perceive heat and cold. Through specifications such as dual thermostats on indoor units, as well as majority-decided automatic heating-cooling changeover, every room can be adjusted to a comfortable temperature. Superior energy efficiency, low installation costs, exceptional design flexibility, and maximum comfort are all features of these new systems. We will remain firmly committed to these central concepts when developing future air conditioning systems in order to further enhance efficiency and eco-friendliness.
Among the new VRF FSV systems, the Mini FSV LE1 series was the first to be developed since the birth of the new Panasonic Group. Tsuyoshi Ohira was involved in the project to develop air conditioning systems that meet the need for smaller capacities, based on the new VRF FSV series development concepts.
Smaller buildings naturally have less space to install outdoor units. Maintaining a high capacity while reducing outdoor unit size was truly a major challenge. A compact size and high efficiency, these were the development goals we focused on. Specifically, our goal was to achieve at least a 10% improvement in energy efficiency as we started development. In order to develop a high-efficiency, high-quality multi-unit air conditioning system, first we started with a new high-performance compressor. Then we developed new control technology to ensure optimum operation of the performance-related components. During development, we simulated all types of environments in our test chambers and performed repeated tests, such as measuring the refrigerant cycle and conducting visualization analysis of the compressor. As a result, we achieved an outdoor temperature operating range as high as 46 degrees during cooling and -20 degrees during heating. As many as 9 indoor units can be connected to a single 6-horsepower outdoor unit, ideal for a small building or commercial facility with many rooms. The indoor units are the same as for the FSV series, so there's a full lineup to choose from. Compact and energy efficient, and of course, high quality to ensure customer satisfaction. Under these design concepts, we'll aim for new performance targets.
saving energy for an entire home or an entire building. Control systems hold the key to achieving integrated energy management. We talked with Akira Shindo about the design and development of the control devices so essential to air conditioning systems. The scope of air conditioning control extends from individual room air conditioners to complex systems integrating multiple buildings.
There are many different kinds of air conditioning systems. How each system is controlled will have a great impact on the system's energy performance and operating costs. For this reason, we've developed a full lineup of various types of controllers to meet all types of needs. First, I'd like to show you what we at Panasonic call an intelligent controller. We enhanced the terminal with a simple touch panel interface so that anyone could operate it with ease. The touch panel interface enables easy control of up to 4 circuits of 64 indoor units, or a total of 256 indoor units. To make it as user-friendly as possible, the touch panels and software incorporate similar technologies used in other fields. Moreover, the intelligent controller can also easily calculate energy consumption allocation on a customer unit basis. We made it a priority to ensure that calculation is highly accurate. Plus, energy consumption allocation and energy management for the entire system, or by zone, by tenant, or by group, can be precisely controlled using a scheduled timer. This makes it possible to save energy for the entire building while ensuring a comfortable interior environment. There's also P-aims for controlling large-scale air conditioning systems. For example, it's possible to centrally control as many as 1,024 indoor units installed in multiple buildings, all from just a single PC, thanks to P-aims. And there's expandability, with various options including precise building management, metering of rental units on a per-tenant basis, and remote monitoring and control of separate buildings and facilities. These advanced capabilities greatly improve management efficiency for customers managing air conditioning systems across multiple buildings. Another advantage is that FSV systems also offer numerous options that enable connection to an existing third-party controller. We are committed to developing comprehensive air conditioning solutions with superior energy savings, lower operating costs, and more advanced control systems. We'll continue to expand air conditioning's technological frontiers.
Panasonic's new VRF FSV systems. You've just heard the design concepts of 3 development engineers. High quality and high reliability, thanks to technological expertise and total dedication. Saving energy for entire homes and entire buildings. Panasonic is committed to meeting the challenge of developing eco-ideas and making them a reality.
The VRF FSV. Expect the best from Panasonic.
Panasonic. Ideas for life.